Hello, my name is Tim Merritt. I own Tim's Heating and Air Conditioning Incorporated. Our company specializes in residential and commercial sales and service. We repair all makes and models in addition to installing indoor air quality for homes and businesses. What sets our company apart from other servicing companies would be that we thrive on hiring the best employees. We try to give the best customer service. With every customer, we perform an energy audit and draw each home to scale. This enables us to directly work with our clients to make sure all their needs are met. Comfort is our most concern. Customer service is a vital part of our company. Here at Tim's Heating and Air Conditioning is a name you can trust.